How to download and log into the Peacock TV app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually download and log into Peacock TV. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, let me move on to the downloading process. In order to download Peacock TV, open up your device's respective app stores such as Google Play Store or your iOS store. Once you go ahead and open up your device's respective Play stores, in the search box you have to simply type in Peacock TV. Once you type in Peacock TV, you can see this application right over here. What you have to do is you have to simply go ahead and click on the install button. In my case, I have already downloaded and installed it before. If you're on iOS, generally you would need to actually go ahead and then also try to simply enter your Apple ID password in order to verify and then download it. Now once you've downloaded the Peacock TV application, we're going to simply open it up and we'll move on to the login process. So let's wait until the Peacock TV application has been successfully loaded. So once you can see, in order to log into our account, you can tap on the sign in button. But before that, if you don't have an account, you can tap on the get started button, or you can watch our other video where we show you in detail how you can create a Peacock TV account. But other than that, just tap on the sign in button on the top right corner and then just go ahead and then enter your email address. So go ahead and then enter your email address over here. As soon as you do that, you need to go ahead and then enter your password as well. Once you enter your email address and password, all you have to do is tap on the sign in button, and if your details are actually correct, you'll be able to successfully log into your Peacock TV app. So let's wait whether or not we'll be logged in or not. So as you can see, now that we have successfully been logged into our account, we could just go ahead and then sign in, watch some of the shows and videos, and now we can just go ahead and stream some movies. We can change our account settings and so on. And this is simply how you can download the Peacock TV app as well as log into your account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.